Hello guys, nice to meet you. And this is Aniket Grover. And in this series, what we're gonna do is that uh, we are going to build a news app from scratch using from scratch, and we are calling the news API.org. This is a get API. So we're gonna what we're gonna do is that we will call that API using the block pattern, and I will walk through that each and every line how we can make a structure of the app, how we can call that API as well, and there are the many more things you need to. I just recommend that you will stay tuned in this series. I will walk through each and every step. That would be easier for us to understand as well. So the first step I will walk through that the how the API structure is. How we can made it, and the app would build similar like this only. So what we're gonna do is that we are calling that API using the block pattern. This one is a get API. So I will walk through from scratch as well, line by line, each and every code I will do describe you as well. So what we're gonna do is after hitting the API, we will see the output like this, and I we will also see in upcoming series that how we can make a list view builder as well, and how we can display the dynamic data as well by getting the data after hitting the API, and we will see that how it can be implemented. So head over to it. So first we will see that how we can the structure you will see it first. So this one is a library part. What I have done is that I have made a constant folder. In that folder I have defined the API key as well. So the API key is different for everyone. So once you go to the newsapi.org, here you will find the he will find the login as well. So I have already logged in with my email ID, so I can directly access the API key as well. But make sure that you won't use the same API key for everyone. The API key would be different for everyone. So the API key, when you head over to the newsapi.org, so after you tab on the login, so you will add your credentials, and uh, after you adding your credentials, you will get the dashboard like this. So once you click on the get API key, you will get that your API key, and you can use directly into your project only. And we can head over to the news API, how it returning uh, the JSON data. So what we're gonna do is that we will call that, as you see, this one is a get API. So we will call that API using the block pattern. So we will call the headlines according to the country. The country can be this API support the many countries. So I will if you many countries. So if you see this documentation as well, so it support if if you see the documentation as well as a so in that you will find that it suppose a number of the countries and in the languages as well and the category of the news as well. We can head over to the each and every step just for if you want the detailed documentation. So I will do share the link in the description as well. You can check that out, and we will see all we can see how the JSON is returning, and how the data can be how we can call that API as well. So if you see that the data is returning a map where the map is similar, like it's having the keys and the values. So the status is a key and the values is okay. So in the sources, if you see this one, the symbol represent the list. So the sources is having the list of objects where the each objects having the ID, name, description, URL, category, language, and country. So this object, the source containing the list of the object, where the each object containing the list of the properties. So we're gonna use all these properties, and we will display the data over the screen. So that's it. And you can see this data as well. So data is similar like this. This only I have explained you before. So this one is a key and this one is a value, and the articles containing the list of objects, where the each object containing the author, title, description, URL image, published data, and content. If you see that every object containing the different data. So the uh, the the output is similar like this only. So you can stay tuned, and I will do the first step. You gonna In this series, what you're gonna do is that first you will get that API key, and in the next series we're gonna see that how we can uh, call that API using the block pattern. In the next and after the uh, upcoming series, we will see that how we can build a complete app, how we can distill that dynamic data over it. So stay tuned. Good luck, and if you like this content, please do share and subscribe this channel as well. And best of luck for future.